Oh, bloody hell. Dr. Surgeon David Quatermass, whatever. Bad news. Terrible news, actually. Eli's coming to work here. The bloody hell was that? Anyway, yeah, Eli's coming to work here. Eli's coming to work here. Right, that's it. What the bloody hell is that noise? Sounds like some cheap, super low quality sound effect. Anyway, Eli is notorious in Clogton because he's got some less than unhygienic habits. Or should I say more than unhygienic habits? I don't know which way around you're supposed to say it. Oh, this can only spell trouble. Right, I'm going to go and find out who's bloody doing that.